Hello, I'm Mike Kibler of Kibler's Typewriter Company. And what we have here is a Royal 10 typewriter, serial number X-234070, made in 1915. This video was requested by Plunger Drum on YouTube. Here you go, Plunger Drum. I found this on eBay and wanted it for around $100. Some of its feet were missing. It needed painting. The mainspring tension was weak. It was dirty. Keys were sticky. Needed oiling, and just generally a cleanup machine, but nothing too bad. So I replaced the feet. I oiled the keys, installed a new ribbon. I adjusted the mainspring tension, so now it works fine. I polished it. Look at my reflection, my hand's reflection. It's perfect reflection right there. And I cleaned it in general. I painted it too. I think it's pretty seamless because can you see any of that paint? I mean, if you look really closely, you could probably see some, but generally it looks better than just rough spots. I'm going to read you the decals now. This one says Royal. This one says Royal. Bigger letters. And this is a model of typewriter, Royal 10, and it says Royal on it with a crown. And we're going to read you the ones on the back. This machine was built by Regal, that's why it has a Regal sticker on it. And this says, like new, Regal rebuilt typewriters. Regal Typewriter Company Incorporated, 524 Broadway, New York, USA. I wonder if they're still there. That one says Royal, and at the bottom it has that usual patent protection. Royal Typewriter Company Incorporated, New York, protected by American and foreign patents, made in the United States of America. By the way, just to give you a better idea of how well this is how clean this is, look there, you can see the camera in the reflection. Isn't that amazing? Hi. After sales started declining from Royal's earlier flatbed models, Royal came out with the Royal Grand, which is pretty rare nowadays, which led to the development of the number 10. The Royal 10 was one of the most popular typewriters when it was introduced in 1914, and even right up there with the Underwood number 5. This machine was so sturdy that, as a publicity stunt, this machine was arranged by Royal for 11,000 of these machines to be dropped out with parachutes attached to them out of the largest commercial airplane of the time and delivered to their customer. Amazingly, only 6 were damaged. Now, the features on my Royal 10 include tabulator, glass keys, which provide for a better feel of typing, in my opinion, because they're smoother on your fingers. Has a single carrot shift with lock. Two-color ribbon with stencil. That's what it's on right now, stencil. And has automatic ribbon reverse right here. It controls the direction of the ribbon, and has the margin set and release. That's right here, and the margin selectors are right here. These are tabulator setters. Margin setters are right here. I'm going to activate that for you. So, yeah, pretty cool. Oh, there's the bell. Awesome. These are some of my other typewriters, completely unrelated. Now, this particular number 10 is one of the earlier ones due to it having 2 glass panels on either side. Just going to give you a close-up look at that. You can see the workings on it. It has on the other side too. 2 glass panels on each side. The later models only had 1. And the reason for these, well, really it was 2 folded. They made the typewriter cosmetically appealing because, I mean, the reason why I bought this was it just looks so good. And look at that. That's perfect. I mean, that's exactly what I would want. I mean, it's better than looking than my computer. And the other purpose is that they offer greater access to mechanics and servicemen, because unlike Underwood, who had their machines all open and dust got in the fittings, the glass sides protected the inner workings from dust, but you could also either screw out the panels or later models just even slide it out with little clips. So I have a reproduction manual here. Just going to show you some of it really quickly. Instructions for the care and use of the Royal Typewriter Model 10. This has some great stuff here. Oh, by the way, I sell these on for my company. This has some really great tips in it. If you ever get typewriters that you want to really use well, always get this. It's really, really great. So I sell these at my company, which you can find the upper right-hand corner of the box if you're looking on YouTube in the description box, or if you're on my website, you're already here. Now, I will do a quick typing test as a standard with all my machines. Let me get some paper over here. Looks pretty good for a 100-year-old machine, doesn't it? I will type, "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, which uses every letter in the alphabet, thus testing for any defective keys." Alright, get a little close up here. Oh, let me put it on red. We'll let you see that here. Quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. A little blurry there. By the way, I'm going to get a professional camcorder now. No, not professional, but I'm going to get a better camcorder now so that I can show you greater detail, because I'm actually going to do a movie soon, but I'll tell you about that in my other videos. I mean, I'm going to give a quick look around one more time. Remember, if you have any questions, just contact me, or if you want me to do a video, just contact me. And, well, yeah, that pretty much concludes my video. If you have any questions, once again, just contact me. This has been a production of Kibler's Typewriter Company, and until next time, see you later.